Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is gonna be a weekend in my life, and this weekend is Memorial Day weekend, so I got Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to show you guys. I was going to film Friday as well when I went to work because it was just a half day, but I just didn't end up doing it. So if you guys want to see what I do during the weekend, just keep on watching. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So today is Saturday and I am going on a picnic. So I am just getting ready right now. Putting on my earrings. And then putting on my necklace. And I want to fix up my hair a little. And I already brushed my teeth and everything, got ready. I am wearing this jumpsuit from Garage. We're gonna put on some makeup. I haven't done it in a while, so we're just gonna do that. So the cream that I always use is the Kiehl's Breakout Control Acne Treatment Facial Lotion. And if you guys have seen my videos before when I have done my makeup, I use the same products all the time. I have not changed. Makeup isn't a really big thing that I do nowadays. It wasn't even back then either, but I was obsessed with makeup back then, and I would just buy makeup and makeup even though I wouldn't use it. And now I'm obsessed with books. So I just been buying books, reading, and all that stuff, as you guys can tell from my whole YouTube channel now. Books are just my favorite. Speaking of books, a lot of people have been talking about A Court of Thorns and Roses. And I did not want to pick up the book because I have not been able to get into a fantasy book. So I was like, I don't know. But I was just talking to one of my coworkers the other day. And I don't know, she gave me a little spark to get it in a way. Everybody else has been saying the same thing to me. I'm like, let me see if it's on the Kindle. So I downloaded the sample on Kindle because they don't have the Kindle Unlimited. But I downloaded the sample and I was like, let me read this to see if I like it before I get the book. And let me tell you guys, I went to chapter 2 and I was like, okay, this is not that bad. So I went to Target, right? And I wanted to get the book. They always have the book in stock, but yesterday they did not want to have it in stock when I wanted to go get it. So I ordered it on Amazon. It should be coming in later on today. So I'll show you guys. I'm so excited. I don't know how I'm gonna like it, but hopefully it'll work out. And I love how the books look, honestly. Hopefully it does work out because I would like those books on my shelf. I want to get into something else besides romance and thriller, you know? So hopefully it all goes good. But so far when I read it on my phone, it was pretty good. I don't put on any concealer, honestly, because I don't know. Ooh, a powder foundation. I didn't know I had this inside. But I usually put on blush and highlighter. I used to do eyebrows, but now I'm just used to my eyebrows looking like this. I have sparse areas, but I think I'll be alright. I'm used to it, going around town with no makeup on. So I'm gonna put this actually under my eyes a little bit. Oh, okay. It actually did something. So that was a Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder Foundation. Oh, and this was the Hello Halo Blush Highlighter from Wet n Wild. So I'm super excited to go on a picnic today. We're gonna go to this park that I don't think I have been to, and I've been living here for 20 million years. Maybe when I was younger, maybe once. But I'm excited. I have not done a picnic before. I think it'll be fun. I gotta pack my bag on what I need to bring actually, because I wanna bring like little things, you know. I wanna bring my Bible. I want to bring I was gonna bring a book, but I don't think I'm gonna bring one. I'll just bring my Bible. I'm gonna bring some water, candy I got yesterday from Target. I'm gonna bring cards to play cards. What else am I bringing? I think I have a whole list on my notes, so to not forget, because I have a very, very forgetful mind, so I don't want to forget anything. And I think I'm like leaving maybe in 2-3 hours, so I have enough time, plenty of time to get all my things together. Cute. Gotta put some lip gloss or chapstick, something, and I'll be ready. Let's go pack my little bag, my purse for this picnic. So I'm starting to pack up everything, and I was bringing a purse and then like a side bag, but then now I just decided to bring this huge backpack. I think this is from Lululemon or something, that I'm gonna fit everything inside. I was gonna try to be aesthetic when I take pictures, but like, no. So I'm just packing everything. I already put whatever was in my purse. I put like an extra shirt and my other socks, because I don't know how I'm gonna feel about my long socks right now, so that's there. I'm bringing napkins. I'm bringing water. Oh, is this a water pocket? Oh, perfect. And this is like the first time I'm using this Lululemon backpack, or like the second time. So, oh wait. Oh, I thought it was on both sides, but then I can still pour water. Okay, I'm just gonna put it both on both sides. And then I got tissues. Just gonna throw it in here. I don't know. There's like so many pockets in this bag that I don't even know. The blanket. I got this from Amazon. And then we got the candy and the trash bag. So we got Ferrero Rocher, Reese's, and gummy bears. They fit perfectly. Oh my goodness. Like I'm going on a whole trip with this backpack. It's like, wait, let me show you guys how it looks on my back. I probably look like a whole turtle. Oh my goodness. I look like I'm in the military with this backpack. Okay. I look okay, I guess. It's not that heavy. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, do I look crazy? Are you really doing mom?
No.
Oh.
Doing mama.
Oh my goodness. It is the next morning. It is Sunday, and I just woke up maybe like an hour or two ago. I just been laying in bed, and I forgot to show you guys yesterday. The book came in the mail, but obviously I wasn't home. I was out all night, so I didn't get to open it till this morning. So here's the book. A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah J. Maas, finally in my possession. I am glad that this book is all nice and crisp, because the last time I ordered from Amazon, some of the books came like a bit damaged or like folded, and I did not like that. So luckily this came intact. We are going to read this. Let's see how this goes. And by the way, I might go to IKEA to get my bookshelf today, so that's super exciting. So we just finished with IKEA. I just got the Billy bookshelf, so I'm excited to put it together. Okay, so I got my pieces all set up. Let me show you. And I'm ready to build. I was gonna do a separate video, but I'm gonna just add it to this video. Me not having a hammer, so I'm just like going like this, hitting the bookshelf together. I got the other side, but I need the middle and this side. I basically put it together, but I still need a bit more pieces. And if you guys have seen my organize my bookshelf video, which I did not too long ago, yes, I am doing all this stuff again. I did not even film myself doing the shelves, but I did them and I put all my books in because I didn't need myself to be recording, because then I'm like all over the place. So I just did it without recording anything, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So here are my shelves. They are just all organized a specific way. So coming up here, I have read all these books, and I have read all these books. Then coming over here, I have to read these. I just decorated it with these things that my brother got me from Los Cabos, and then this flower thing that I made a while back. And then I just got 2 bookmarks. These couple books, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is DNF books, and then these 3 on the top are just hardcover books that I couldn't fit, so they're just here that I need to read. Down here, just random books, and then down here, just my psychology books and stuff like that. And then in my other bookshelf that I already had, I got that, and I got all these little decorations up here. For now, that's how it's going to be. Then I have all my Christian books and my Bible and stuff like that. And I just have my Court of Thorns and Roses over here since I'm reading it currently. I'm trying to anyways. And then I have this shelf that has all these different notebooks. I was cleaning it out, so that's why they're just all here, but soon they're not gonna be here, and some books are here that I need to do for a video. And then I got just my bins of stuff, so that's my whole book area. I can't even look at this. So yesterday I did not film at all on Memorial Day. I actually cleaned my closet in a way. I put away like my bin that was out that was full of like winter clothes, and I put it back into my closet. I organized my bags in there and stuff like that. Didn't really get to organize my bookshelf, so I completely forgot to film. Yesterday I had an acai bowl. I just completely forgot to film. So it is the next day. It's back to work, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.